Today I'm going to do a review on this multi-function magnetic LED wall lamp. I was gifted this item for this review. Let's open it up and see what we got. It is a 2-pack, so there are 2 units in here. It comes with a remote control that has several functions. You can dim it, turn it on and off, set a timer, things of that nature. Very cool. Actually has 2 remotes. Let's see here. The plug is for the charging. Charging takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge it. It does last a long time once it is charged. We've also got some mounts here for the wall for each one of them, as well as some screws. And then the units themselves, which are right here. Open one of these up. Alrighty, I'm going to attach it to the wall here and turn them on, and we will take a look at what we got.
All right, go ahead.
Alright, here we have the wall mount. It can be screwed in as well as stuck on with a sticky here. I'm going to attach the sticky and peel off just like so. Alrighty, and then you connect your unit. And the coolest thing about this is you can go up and down, all around, different size lights on different sides. Pretty much get any view you could possibly need to be able to see, read, or whatever you're doing.